Hello friends, here on this video I want to show you how you can remove this app clone, or you can say dual apps, from your mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here I want to show you you have to move on setting. Okay, after you move on setting, from here I will show you again. Here's the Facebook one and here's the Facebook clone. Okay, so now let's move on setting. Scroll on the down, then after that here you are going to find these icons apps. Okay, if you don't find these apps, then here you can search also on the search. On a search setting, here's the search setting. You can search for the apps, or you just scroll on the down, you just scroll down, then after that here you just click on apps. After you tap on apps, from here if you want to remove this app cloner, then here's the first icons, second icon, app cloner. After you tap on app cloner, here you can check the detail. Okay, app cloner create a supported app and app clone that runs independently, and you want to turn off it. See, I have turned on the Facebook, but Instagram is off, PhonePe also off, Snapchat also off, WhatsApp also off. Okay, but you want to off this Facebook also, but you cannot off. That's why you are watching this video. So just tap on Facebook. After you tap on Facebook, here is the create a clone, and you want to disable, then just tap on this icon and permanently delete Facebook clone and its data. Yes, delete. Then here it has been deleted. Okay, you can check from here that it has been deleted. Okay, the dual apps has been deleted. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.